Hello dear traders, welcome back again to our channel. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. So in previous video we discussed about triangle pattern for breakout things. In this video we are going to discuss about triangle pattern for breakdown things, basically sell first and buy later, basically shorting opportunities. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, right, please kindly do subscribe. If you are liking this video, please like this video, and also if you have any doubts or any concerns, please comment below so that I will reach back to you. And also if you are making any money out of our strategies, right, please kindly comment below so that I will get to know. That's kind of motivation for me to make more videos. And also I already discussed about intraday strategies, swing trading strategies, and also I shared my month profit with analysis. So please kindly go through it. Now we'll discuss about our triangle pattern for breakdown things. Okay, let's discuss about it. Okay guys, so in this video we are going to discuss about triangle opportunities for shorting. So basically sell first and then buy later. Again, it is like a breakdown from that triangle pattern. Okay, so before that, right, I already discussed about our psychology behind triangle pattern and the psychology behind support and resistance zone in previous video, but also we'll discuss in this video also, so that you will not miss what I discussed in that video. Okay, so we'll go for psychology behind support and resistance first. Okay, suppose this is the resistance level and this is the support level. Okay, so usually what happens, right, in support and resistance, stock will flow like this way, coming, it will come to this level, it will go up, go up, it will go there, it will come down. So what is the psychology behind here, right? Now buyers will come into picture, they will aggressive because that came to the support level, right? So once buyer came into picture, right, they will go up, go up. Now here, once it will go to the resistance level at means same level what is the previous one, their seller will come into picture, they will become aggressive. Now again stock will come down. Now here again, after coming here, what will happen? Now seller sorry, buyers will become again aggressive. Now stock will go up. Again same thing happen. What will happen? Seller will become aggressive here. Now what happened, right? Now we are this time it is breakdown happening. Okay, now this stock is moving down like this. Okay, so usually in this way, when now people will buy at this level once this support zone breakout happen. So here basically, okay, so here people will buy, stop loss will be above that support level, and entry will be here, and they will enjoy the move. This is the psychology behind our uh, support and resistance zones, basically, right? In zone level, basically we need to have a bigger stop loss as compared to triangle pattern. So we'll discuss that. So what is the psychology behind triangle pattern? So in triangle pattern, again, we have three types. Okay, ascending triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern, and symmetric triangle pattern. But forget about it. Just listen carefully about the psychology. What is the psychology behind triangle pattern? Okay, so how triangle pattern behaves. Okay, stock will come down like this, come down. It will go up, it will go up, it will come down, it will come down, it will go up, it will go up, it will come down, it will come down, it will go up, it will go up, it will come down. Like this way it will behave, right? Basically, now how we draw triangle pattern, we'll try to connect wicks and bodies, and we'll connect more we try to have more touch, basically. So once see once it happens, right, we try to touch everywhere like this. Here also suppose a touch is there, right? So basically now this is a triangle pattern, right? So what is the psychology behind triangle pattern? Now we'll discuss that one first. Okay, so basically what happening here, in triangle pattern, stock is coming down here, seller came into picture. Now here sorry, buyer came into picture. Now stock went up. Now here seller came into picture. Now again that came down. But the thing is, buyers are not waiting for this level now. So basically if you draw here support and resistance, so suppose this is resistance level and this is the support level. Okay, so now buyers are not waiting for this level, not waiting for this level, they are aggressive here itself. Again it went up. Now seller also became aggressive here only, not waiting for this level. Again same thing, buyer aggressive at this level only, seller aggressive at this level only. So what happened in this case? One needs to win, right? One will only win, another will lose, and another will give up. So in that case it will happen one breakout or breakdown. Okay, right? Either one thing will happen, right? Stock will go like this, up or stock will go down like this way, right? So in previous video we discussed about breakout. So in this video we are discussing about breakdown opportunities. So what will happen? Stock will go up like this, suppose, and it will fall down like this way. So here in this case we need to make entry here at the triangle breakout. Okay, so once the triangle breakout happen, see, huge move, and we are capturing this much extra move as compared to support zone, because usually what we'll do, people will support and resistance one, people will make entry here after this and stop loss here, right? So but we are capturing extra move here this much, so that's the reason I am like going for triangle pattern. My favorite pattern is triangle pattern. Basically I don't want to trade support and resistance zone, but I prefer this one because it gives huge move. It will we capture huge move. I'm not saying like support and resistance are not good, but the thing is we'll get more accurate entry in triangle pattern, and it will give more move as compared to the support and resistance zone. Okay, so this is what the psychology works in triangle pattern and support and resistance also. That's what we discuss. Okay, now we'll discuss about like practical examples on charts. Okay, so this Coal India, I already opened it. So here, see what I see here. I will draw the triangle pattern here. Okay, so see this upper trend line respected 1 2 3 4 and 5 times, and this is below trend line, right? So this one, I would say this one. Okay, so here also 1 2 3 times, right? So upper trend line 1 2 3 4 and 5 times, down trend line 1 2 3 times, and here breakout happened, right? So see again here what happened, stock came down, buyer came into picture, stock went up, stock now this time they are not waiting for this level. Again stock came down, buyer came into picture, seller came into picture, buyer became more aggressive, then seller become more aggressive here, now here, right? See here breakout happen. Now what is the move? Once breakout happen, right, once this candlestick close, we can easily go. See here move, this is a 12% in span of actually more than 1 month. It's 35 days, but see if you capture this one move also, right, 8%, that's also huge move. Basically if you do trading on the basis of support and resistance zone, right, I'm not saying that is bad, but like see our entry will be become here only. So that time how much will capture from here? If you see this much only, like 3%, so we are capturing almost 5% extra from here, 5.5% extra. So that's the reason I am saying how triangle patterns work for giving more profit as compared to that one, and it's giving more huge move, right? Why? Because there are stop loss here basically below this swing, right? Latest swing there is stop loss, latest swing this one, right, below that there is stop loss. So it try to eat those all the stop losses. That's the reason triangle pattern gives a huge move as compared to the support and resistance zone. Okay, so this breakdown happened and it gave huge move. We'll see next example, I bull. Okay, I already draw the pattern here. See so here also same thing, upper trend line, try to make more touches, right? The way I am drawing it, right, just saw it, see it, and just try to draw like this. Okay, so I know that is a bit difficult in initial days, but it will be very good if you start drawing patterns properly, because once you start drawing properly, right, anyways you are going to make money out of it. So see this is the way. So once this breakdown happened, right, we'll capture the, see once breakdown happened, we made entry here, we captured almost 26% in 9 days. Are you getting, guys? 26% in 9 days. So if you want to like you will ask me, right, what is the stop loss and where should we enter? So this is the entry. The stop loss is like only above the trend line, that's it. We don't need to risk more in this strategy. Okay, basically in triangle pattern, and 8.5% profit. See this is what happened. If you go for a triangle pattern, sorry, support and resistance level, right, so breakout happened by this candlestick, uh, then you will go here basically and capturing only 10%, but we are getting almost 26%, means like 16% more in triangle pattern breakdown as compared to the support breakdown. So that's the reason I am in favor of triangle pattern. So that's what. So in this video, so in this talk we'll discuss about our next stock, ITC actually. So here, okay, what I will say here, okay, see this is the one, and let me see. So this one, okay. So this is the triangle pattern, right? So again, see, came down, buyers became aggressive again, but seller are that level only, it's okay. So this is kind of ascending triangle, okay. Just I am letting you know, but don't consider about types, what are the types and what is the thing. Just the thing about breakout and breakdown about the triangle pattern, and main thing is psychology, how buyers and sellers works in market. So this is the psychology. If you understand psychology, right, you are gonna make money out of trading easily. So see, if you see here, right, how much profit you are making. If you consider here also 12% in spam of 22 days. And if you do for a like support level, this is a support level. Then again after this breakout, so after this breakout, see 6%. It's like 50% more we earn in this stock if we do trading in using triangle pattern. So we'll see next stock, right? Sri Cement. See, I already draw the pattern here. So see here again, upper trend line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and down trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and 5 times is breakout happen. So the thing is, see, seller became here aggressive, then buyer became aggressive. Buyer are not waiting for this level. Seller came into picture. Seller are not waiting for that level. Now again buyer became aggressive. Again seller became aggressive. Now one needs to win. Okay, one will win only. So that's the reason now here seller won, right, and breakout happened. So breakout happened by this candlestick only, right here. So what I will do, I will go for after this closing, I will make entry and see move, guys. 14% in span of 27 days. If you consider 5% or 6% moves also, right, in per trade, as I discussed in our MCS strategy video. If you haven't watched that video, right, please watch it, because that video is very important. And also I other discussed about other strategies, so please kindly watch that. And for my motivation purpose, right, please kindly subscribe to our channel. If you are liking this video, are feeling interesting, please like this video. Also, if you have any doubts, or if you are earning money out of the stock market, right, using this strategy, please kindly comment below, so that like at least I will get to know, okay, whatever I am putting my efforts to give all the knowledge whatever I have to you, right, I will feel okay, I need to give this knowledge again and again, okay. So yeah, that's what, see, that's what big move we are capturing here, like 10%, but consider 5% also, 5% like this, 5 stocks in each month, 25% of your capital. If you are doing trading with 1 lakh or 2 lakh, if you are doing with 2 lakhs, 25% is like 50,000. So you are making 50,000 per month by just following simple triangle pattern. That's it. So this is about a triangle pattern. Okay. Hope you feel this video is interesting. I am pretty much sure, like, if you follow these things, right, whatever we discussed in triangle pattern, you are really gonna make money out of like the stock market very easily, without fear. So just follow the things which I am going discussing in this video, and also in next video we'll discuss about channel patterns and how to trade that also in same way, breakdown and breakout things. So let's see, we'll discuss about that in next video. And now if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do subscribe to our channel. And if you are making money out of it, right, any of our strategy, please kindly comment below, so that like I will get to know. So till then, take care of yourself, and thank you so much for visiting our channel.